reverse flow fan design failure. The outer 20% of the disc is suffering reverse airflow. The smoke is going backwards through the fan to reach the low pressure area behind the fan, as shown on the hot and cold smoke trails. There is no dispute. This fan functions quite well to distribute air around the room, but it wastes at least 25% of the shaft output of the electric motor. At about 900 RPM. Very clearly shows the part of the disc that's working with the hot smoke and the cold smoke. It also shows the alternating flow around the chimney, influencing the direction of the flow, roaring back in there to try and reach the low pressure zone behind the fan, right in the centre. You can see the white tip paint outlining the edge of the disc, and the smoke sometimes going around, sometimes going through the tips. It's the hot smoke that's oscillating, and the cold smoke is going around. The vapour trail from the bottom end of these dupe cones is really good for visualising this kind of airflow. And it goes straight across the room. And it's so chaotic and turbulent by the time it gets to the dangling model that there is no coherent airflow over there. It's all moving across the room, but it's kind of turbulent. Because this doesn't generate a single coherent 7-inch diameter stream of air moving smoothly across the room. This generates a torus which is rolling outwards and expanding as it goes and rolling inwards to close off the little low pressure zone at the bottom, which on the previous video was demonstrated with an incense stick held in against the spiral and producing a really interesting sort of a corkscrew expanding downwind. And it's kind of noisy. And you can now see the smoke. It's holding the case of the phone against the fan, so presumably you're going to be picking up the noise of the vibration of the fan. There we go, that's a bit more better. And the cold smoke goes a lot further across than the hot smoke does, because the low pressure zone in the torus is closer to the hot smoke. Once again, small things amuse small minds. But I think it's fun to watch. And it's 6.5 degrees outside. Yeah, this is a pretty good game. Is it not? Wobbles on a lot. To YouTube. Ciao. It's too cold to be out here doing too much. Below 10 degrees, my hands turn white, become painful, and stop working. Raynaud syndrome, chemotherapy, such is life. Have a good one. Aren't they cute? Redneck wallabies, Euros. And there's Mum. No, that's Dad and Mum. Oh, the nuclear family of rednecks. You're still there? And you're taking over the hut. Yeah? You're the best mannered of the lot. Biscuits. Everybody likes biscuits. Another redneck. Yeah, you are friendly, aren't you? Somehow I just don't fit in town.